So, which key technology vendors or brands are you collaborating with for automation, AI, ERP, CRM, or analytics?
Right. So we are completely Azure ecosystem focused. All of our tech is basically using systems like Azure DataBricks. It is also using the vector databases, Azure OpenAI. So all of it is secure and private. So that's what we are basically working on. The tech stack includes Spark, Apache Spark. So what we do is we have created a data pipeline, and in this data pipeline, we take all the orders, all the historical data, all the suppliers and their stock, and we supply it through that data pipeline. We convert all of this. We basically ingest all of that data and we store it as a vector database, which then queries the Azure OpenAI system. And we have written like very, very smart prompts. We've done a really nice prompt engineering. And when the system queries, whenever a new customer inquiry comes in, then this system is triggered and the prompt is written so that we can get the appropriate answer based on all the trends that's going on. And it gives us the quotation, it gives us the dispatch, it gives us all the information that the customer needs. So that's how we have built our systems.
Yeah, sure. So, how did you choose these partners? Like, what criteria mattered the most? If it is industry expertise, scale, or domain knowledge, what is it?
So, why Azure is because Azure is very secure, because it has all the compliances that are required for an, because all of this data is very sensitive. We do not want any of our suppliers' data to get out in the public or to get leaked or get hacked. So that's why we implemented compliances on top of Azure, and Azure supports like very well. Also, DataBricks is natively supported in Azure, and also it has OpenAI, which is again secure. We didn't want to use public APIs where the data will be sent over a public network, but instead via a private network. And that's the reason, to make it secure and to make it scalable, we used Azure.
Yeah. So, have any vendors not met expectations?
Uh, well, there have been cases on those, definitely, but you know, our system always tells them what has gone wrong, and we always have those conversations with them, and they, it's still very human driven. It's not something that is automated. It does not work like a software which will work 24/7 clockwork. So there can be mistakes, but our system does the root cause analysis and shares that information with the suppliers, and they have been kind enough to improve moving forward, because we want to create that good set of networks or supplier networks, because they are also working with us. They also want to work with us in a long term. So that's how we have done it.